Full auto water gel blaster action 11 rounds per second fully auto fire rate. Rechargeable battery sends ammo 210 fps downrange. 1200 water gel rounds, 0 reloads 1200 water gel ball drum magazine capacity. Load your mag, shoot 1200 water bead rounds. Complete water gel blaster kit includes water bead gel blaster, 1200 round water gel drum magazine, 6000 water ball Splat R Ball ammunition, safety glasses, Splat R Ball collapsible easy loading funnel, rechargeable 7.4 volts 1800 mAh battery with charging cable and Splat R Ball water ball activated target. Splatter Ball Gun. Water gel ball blaster. The water ball bead ammo hydrates in 4 hours and fragment on impact. They are non-toxic, non-staining and can be rehydrated. Easy cleanup. Powered by a 7.4 volts rechargeable battery, 5000 shots per battery charge. High-performance water gel ball blaster. Splat R Ball. Everything in your path at up to 11 Splat R balls per second with Splat R Ball electric gel water bead blaster SRB1200. Up to 210 feet per second. LED water gel ball blaster. Integrated blue LED light-up bar on both sides of the water gel ball blaster. Gives a futuristic look to it. Normally only seen in high-end custom water gel blasters. Designed to last. Full-size Splatter Ball Gun, durable synthetic design, high-quality abs and nylon composite body. Perfect gift. The perfect gift for dad, mom, grandson, niece, or nephew for birthday, Christmas, New Year and other holidays. Recommended age 14 year plus. Read manual and all warnings before use. Always wear eye protection. Top reviews from the United States. Lots of fun. Recently went on a camping trip and these were a ton of fun. I got the SRB1200 which has the larger ammo capacity and it showed. The others would have to reload and I'd still have half a drum left. I was able to shoot over the tree line, so this gun is powerful and shoots fast. Make sure to use official Splat R Ball ammo or the Tonsar brand. The multicolor off-brand Orbeez didn't seem to shoot very well and the gun would just dry fire and the beads would fall out of the barrel. Use eye protection, because they do hurt. Overall a great buy.